Hi, Samuel. What are you doing? Are you playing with mashed potatoes? Samuel, can Sydney have some mashed potatoes?
No,
Why not?
baby.
She's a baby?
Yeah.
What does Sydney eat?
Pizza.
From who?
Mommy.
Mommy! Does she drink milk?
Yeah.
Is it for babies?
Yeah.
Oh, what does Samuel eat?
Beans.
Big boy food?
Green beans, he said. Green beans.
Do you like green beans?
Yeah.
What else do you like?
You. Bud.
Did you eat some peaches today?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
He had a whole container of peaches
What's
and
your-
a whole thing of apple.
Samuel, here, look at Daddy. What's your favorite food? Oh, he's eating some bread now. Good boy. Samuel's eating lots of food so he'll grow big and strong. Right? Hi! Can you say hi, Samuel? Where did Mommy take you today? Samuel, where did you go today? Playground? What did you do there?
Dribble?
Did you play basketball?
No.
Yeah, you did. Remember dribble the ball? Dribble?
Remember?
Yeah.
Who
Yeah.
teaches you how to dribble, Samuel? Who?
Uncle.
Uncle! That's right.
All right. Samuel, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you, Mommy.
Love you, honey.
Puppy you.
Who else do you love, Samuel?
Pat.
Pat? Uncle Pat?
Yeah.
Who else?
Nana and Pa?
And now Pa.
Who else?
Mama?
Mama.
Titi?
Titi.
Uncle Chris?
A donkey.
Uncle Dennis?
Pa.
Truck? Yes, he has a truck.
Yeah.
Uncle Dennis?
Yeah.
Uncle Brian?
Yeah.
He's a basketball player.
Yeah.
Wanna go see him?
Yeah.
How are we gonna get there?
Painting.
Yeah.
Plane. Okay. Say bye-bye. Blow a kiss to Pa and Nana and everyone else. Say love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Nana, Pa.
You gotta send that to him.